Hi, welcome to another KENWOOD video. This is the Garmin DNX7190. So this is fitted to a T5.1, very high spec. This one has got full climate control displayed as well. OE parking sensors. And also KENWOOD camera with parking sensors. So manoeuvring in this vehicle is perfect. So this has the Garmin navigation, whole of Europe navigation, comes with 3 years free map updates as well. Really good quality screen as always from KENWOOD. From the 7 series up you'd expect to see such great graphics. Touchscreen, very responsive. Full steering controls. Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. Thanks for watching another great video from KENWOOD.